What's up, guys? Today we're in VSCO and I'm going to be trying out some filters on this photo I took just tonight. This is just like walking down the street from my house. I didn't realize there was this little reservoir of water, and I just wanted to kind of look at some of these filters, see what they look like. So this was taken on a Google phone. So right now, I really don't like the colors in this image, so I put it in black and white and added some green. I haven't used this app at all, so everything on here is just me kind of figuring it out. Let's see. Highlight tint. Okay, so we're kind of making this look like a film photo a little bit. So originally it had these bright bluish greens. I feel like the pixel makes its greens look almost blue, and now we've got this. It's really muted and faded, but I really wish I got more of the detail in the water and I reserved more of that detail. So yeah, I'm not really sure what I think right now about VSCO. Just trying it out here. I'm going to make some more videos, try it out a little bit more. I like that there's a skin tone that dial. That is really interesting. Let's turn the clarity up and see what that. Oh, that makes this look terrible. Sharpen. Oh, that's gonna make it even worse. Yeah, but it's interesting. Okay. So let's see. So there you go. That's just a quick look at the VSCO app. I'm going to be doing more videos like this, just editing photos with apps and just kind of showing how each app works and what it can actually do to enhance your photography. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.